सॉन्ग
सर सर आपको दिख रहा है क्या? देखो ना एक बार।
जूम करो आप, जूम करो। ये तो 3 है ना, 1 2 3 नहीं वो पैर नहीं दिख रहा है। थोड़ा
नीचे रखना पड़ेगा।
बस थोड़ा नहीं हो रहा है वो, थोड़ा हाँ बस
क्या? हो रहा है 2.5 घंटा तक चलेगा। 2.5 घंटे बाद वापस कर देंगे। क्या चीज़ हमेशा बैकअप में रहता है, मुझे पता है।
ठीक है ना?
ये तो जा रहा है, इससे बोल रहा हूँ, रह नहीं रहा है।
अच्छा
रह नहीं रहा है, उससे बोल रहा हूँ।
ओके फाइन।
हाँ तो बंद कर वही तो प्रॉब्लम है।
I'll come back.
Leave it. बंद कर। That's it. Leave it.
Okay. थोड़ा सेट करेंगे इसको सेट कर सकते बाद इसके बाद ये कवर कर ये नीचे कर सकते इसको यूज करके ये फिक्स करेंगे, इसको यूज करके थोड़ा नीचे कर
wonderful and lovely performance. Seriously, it was an amazing start to the show. Isn't it, guys? Did you enjoy the first dance performance? Yes. Can we have a more noise? Yes. Clappings. That's better. I think Payal really performed very well. It was a very captivating performance, isn't it?
Yes, Isha, it was marvelous, wonderful, and we actually went to our Indian culture.
Yeah, and I was really lost in her footsteps, poetry of footsteps.
Yeah, come back. Let's have a change now.
Yeah, so what is next now?
So do you know at what stages of our life we are more artistic and creative?
I don't know, maybe when we try to create an excuse for an unplanned leave.
That was a good one. But I think we are more creative when we are children, when we were children.
Yeah, that is right.
Yeah, we were more, we think from our heart that time, so we will be more creative and artistic. So now, we have a first performance from a young talent, Rishikesh.
Rishik.
Rishik, who will come here and sing a song and play a guitar for us.
So please everyone, let's put our hands together to encourage this young talent. Come on, Rishik.
Hello everyone, I am Rishik. I'm in year 4 in Dasanjay Primary School. Thank you for listening.
That was a very wonderful performance by Rishik. At such a young age, he is playing a guitar for us. So the next performance we have by another young talent, that is Mithun.
Can you go in front, those girls?
One second.
Just a small announcement. All kids whose performances are lined up, can their parents please contact Shreyas Bande at backstage behind? Please.
Hi, I'm going to sing a song. Yamma, yamma, kaadal ponnamma. Nee enna vittu ponadu ennamma. Nெஞ்சுக்குள்ளே காயம் மாற்றம்மா. என் பட்டாம்பூச்சி சாயம் போச்சம்மா. அடி ஆணோட காதல் கைரேகை போல. என்னோட காதல் கைக்குட்டை போல. கண்ணுக்குள்ளே அழகாக கையில் தந்தாலே காத்தை வாங்கி போனாலே
What a wonderful voice he has. So can we call upon the next performer, Mitra,
who is his twin sister. Can we have a warm round of applause, please, to encourage our kids?
Thank you.
Thank you, Mitra. It was really a very nice performance. I think you have a very melodious voice. I think when I was such young, I didn't have the courage to come on stage and perform so well. So I think she really deserves a really great round of applause. Thank you. So now we have something to keep our audience busy and engaged. So we have a small quiz for the audience.
And we need 100% participation from the audience.
Yes. So our first question is, does anybody know which airline in the world has the largest revenue? Anybody in the audience? Okay. Any other answers? Air India. You know, I recall a very, nice experience which I had when I traveled by Air India. So when you go to the airport and you try to board the flight, they have a slogan, "Welcome to the warm and motherly treatment." Do you know why? Warm because their ACs don't work, and motherly because all their air hostesses are above 50.
Good one, Isha.
So, by the way, Emirates is the correct answer. So, very well done. Now, the next question.
Can we have some funny questions? Let's see how logical you answer for these questions. So, how will you distribute 6 mangoes in 8 people?
We can have from the manager. Yes, Madhu?
The remaining 2 arguments.
Sorry, can't hear you.
Can someone please take the mic and...
No, sorry, wrong answer. Anyone else?
Yeah, that's correct. It's mango shake.
Yeah, mango shake banate. Yes, that's the correct answer.
So one more question. इंडिया में सबसे ज्यादा बर्फ कहाँ गिरती है? I hope the
guys should know. So I need the answer from the guys. Oh yeah, I knew guys would really know this. Their alcohol quiz is their alcohol knowledge is very nice. So one question for the guys: which beer is marketed as the king of beers? Last answer? Yes, absolutely correct. This proves that you guys have a great knowledge about alcohol because, anyways, let's not go ahead.
Please clap yourself, guys.
You can clap. Give a great clap for yourself. Sorry? I get the joke. Okay. Okay, now the next question. Do you guys know what is the reason, what is the primary reason for divorce? I think the wife should answer.
Joe say please.
Please come on stage. After your comments. Please.
Marriage.
Yeah, very true.
So I hope you are telling me your experiences, right?
So, any other questions do we have for the audience? Or shall we move ahead for the performances?
Let's start our event again.
So we'll continue this general knowledge competition throughout the show. So as of now, please welcome the very cute and talented Kanak Jaiswal, who is going to perform a song from the very hit and children's favorite movie, Frozen. Please have a great applause. And she's wearing a very beautiful dress.
Snow blows by on the mountain, not prepared to receive. the kingdom of isolation. It looks like I'm a queen. The wind is howling like the swirling storm inside. Couldn't hear, had no time to cry. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. We'll let them go. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. Oh, will never bother me anymore. It's putting us in distance. Makes everything seem small. Disappears and wants control me. Can't get to me at all. It's time to see what I can do to test the limits and break through. There are no rules for me. I'm free. Let it go, let it go. I'm the one in the wind and sky. Let it go, let it go. You'll never see me cry. Here I stay, here I stay. Let the storm rage on. The power of glory to the air and to the ground. We saw this spiraling in thousand fractals all around. The crystalline is like a thousand lamps. And the past is in the past. Let it go, let it go. I'll rise like a flake of dawn. Let it go, let it go. And when this world is gone, here I stand, light of day. Let the storm rage on. Oh, it'll never bother me anymore.
Thank you, Kanak. Well done. It was a very great performance. So now we have next performance for which I was waiting so eagerly for such a long time.
Right. Yeah, I think this performance is one performance for which I am really excited and eagerly waiting. Because, okay, I'm just distracted by the